it may not be pumpkin spice season, but you need to try this pumpkin spice cornbread recipe. It is delicious, moist. It's covered with honey. OMG, you need to try this. Don't wait until pumpkin spice season. And you know, I'm not the biggest fan of pumpkin spice, but when it comes to the baked treats, I love pumpkin spice. So let me show you how I made this honey pumpkin spice cornbread. Let's get to the recipe. Actually, before we get to the recipe, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Let's go ahead. In your bowl, mix the dry ingredients. In a medium bowl, add the corn flour, all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. Mix this well. Now in a larger bowl, add the pumpkin puree. You can make your own pumpkin puree, but I just bought the canned stuff, so feel free to use the canned one like I did. Once you've added the pumpkin puree, followed by the eggs, add 2 whole eggs with honey. I forgot to press record when I was adding the honey. Sorry about that. Add the honey, and for this pumpkin spice muffin cornbread, we are using pumpkin spice avocado oil. I added my pumpkin spice seasoning, 2 teaspoons, and a little bit of almond extract. And the pumpkin spice avocado oil I got from Choosing Food. They sent it to me. Thank you so much, Choosing Food, for that oil. I've been trying to figure out what to make with it, and I couldn't. And I made cornbread the other day, and I was like, you know what, I should just do that, because I love pumpkin spice. Like I told you guys, pumpkin spice goodies, I love these treats. So add the pumpkin spice, the pumpkin puree, brown sugar, eggs, and honey. Mix these 2 well. After you've mixed the pumpkin puree well with the other ingredients, you're going to add the buttermilk. So I have a cup of buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, because I noticed not all grocery stores carry buttermilk, you likely to find it at farmers market and stuff like that. You could make there's an alternative you could do whole milk. So I like to add a tablespoon of white distilled vinegar to each cup of whole milk. So a cup of whole milk and a cup of white distilled vinegar or lemon juice. After you've mixed your batter well, go ahead and add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredient and give it a few strokes until you mix well. You don't want to over mix it. And then we're going to bake this in a 9x9 baking pan. Mine is non-stick, but feel free to use a skillet. I didn't use my skillet. A skillet would have been better, so use a skillet instead. So you be sure to have preheated your oven before you started preparing the cornbread, because you don't want to put in a batter into a cold oven. So bake this on 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, or until you stick a toothpick insert a toothpick in the center, and if it comes out clean, it is ready. You also don't want to overbake it, but I love a little nice crispy, brown corners. So I love when the edges are like brown and crispy. So bake this for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the toothpick until it comes out clean. So what I did after, I mixed in a small bowl melted butter, honey, and a little bit of pumpkin spice that I'm going to spread over the cornbread. It's totally optional, but it's really delicious. This is the cornbread after it's baked. It looks really good. It is so moist, you guys. It is moist. It is nice. It's nice. It's rich. It's good. You have to make this. You absolutely have to make this right now. And then I spread my honey over it to give it a little bit more sweet. I'm sending this to my grandmother because she loves sweet stuff. Well, not exactly this, but she loves cornbread and banana bread and this kind of thing. So I am making this for her. I made this for her, so I cannot wait to hear what she has to say. And this is the recipe, you guys. Be sure to check the description box for the recipe. And if you would like to support me, if you can support me, I will leave the link right here to my website where you get all my recipes. I normally post my recipes there first before I share them on social media. So if you'd like to support me there, and if you can, please check out sendyscookingrecipes.com for written recipes and access to my recipes before they are shared online. help subscribing to that website will definitely help me help me do this more. So yeah, be sure to subscribe if you can. Thank you so much for watching, and this is the recipe. I hope you guys like it. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, I would like for you to give it a thumbs up as well, and leave a comment for me in the comment section below. You can comment anything, and if you don't know what to comment, just say algorithm. Okay, because if you comment, you like my post, you share my post, this will push me, this will help the algorithm push me to new people that likes this type of cooking videos and help me grow my channel. So this is the one way you can support me if you want to. If you can, I will highly appreciate it. Thank you so much for being here. I will see you in the next one, and I need you to make this. I need you to make this, and don't tell them you got it from me. Just tell them it's your own secret recipe. Okay, you can take all the credit, it's fine.